Hello grade 7, welcome to my English class. My name is Teacher Mai. Join me as we discover and learn new things about word analogy. What is an analogy? An analogy is a comparison between two things, and the comparison is used to determine the relationship between different sets of things. It always contains two pairs of words. These pairs of words are used to determine the relationship and similarities between pairs of words for the purpose of clarification and explanation. Completing analogies is like solving problems. It develops our critical thinking skills. Let us consider this example. A grass is to green as a sky is to blue. Take note that the word is to is replaced by a colon and the word as is replaced by two colons. You might be wondering, why did I say like that? It is because analogies can be written in two forms, the longer version and the shorter version. Let us study the given example and find out what relationship can be established in a pair of words. Grass is to green as sky is to blue. In the first pair of words, we can say that the color of the grass is green. It means that green, which is a color, is a characteristic of a grass. Hence, grass is to green has characteristics relationship. In the second pair of words, we can say that the color of the sky is blue. It means that blue, which is a color, is a characteristic of the sky. Hence, sky is to blue has characteristics relationship. To solve analogies, you must first determine the relationship between the pair of words. In this example, characteristics relationship is established. Let us study the common types of word analogy and learn some examples. Number 1. Characteristics relationship. This type of relationship is established when one word of the pair describes the object given in the other word of the pair. We can simply say that this is a noun and descriptive relationship. When we say descriptive, it has something to do with color, shape, size, or age. Examples. Eggplant is the violet as tomato is the red. Ant is the small as elephant is the big. Tropical is to hot as polar is to cold. Number 2. Action and object relationship. This type of relationship is established when the object receives the action of the other word of the pair. We can simply say that this is a noun and a verb relationship. To help you out, you just ask, what is the action towards the object? Examples. Bake is to cookies as fry is to chicken. Fly is to plane as drive is to car. Cut is to scissors as write is to pen. Number 3. Part and whole relationship. This type of relationship is established when one word of the pair represents the single part of the whole object given in other word of the pair. This analogy highlights the relationship between the part and the whole. Examples. Finger is to hand as branch is to tree. Face is a part of the head and a petal is the part of the flower. Battery is to flashlight as hard drive is to computer. Number 4. Worker and tool relationship. This type of relationship is established when one word of the pair represents the working individuals and the other word of the pair is the tool used for working. This analogy establishes relationship between a particular individual and the tool that he or she uses. Examples: writer is to pen as painter is to brush. Knight is to sword and hunter is to a gun. Astronomer is to telescope as musician is to guitar. Number 5. Synonymous relationship. This type of relationship established between two words that convey the same meaning. In such type of analogy, two words have the same meaning or similar. Examples: charming is to beautiful as gracious is to kind. Up has the same meaning as above, as down has the same meaning as below. Skillful is to expert as bright is to shiny. Number 6. Antonymous relationship. This type of relationship is established between two words that are opposite in meaning. Examples: hot is to cold as meat is to avoid. Fast is to slow as never is to always. Easy is to difficult as shallow is to deep. Number 7. Types relationship. This type of relationship is established when one word of the pair is classified in different group of the other word of the pair. This type of analogy is based on biological, physical, or any other classification. In such problems, the first word may be classified by the second word or vice versa. Examples: eagle is to bird as pitbull is to dog. A snake is classified as reptile as monkey is classified as mammal. Sonnet is to poetry as novel is to prose. There are some other ways on how to show analogies, just like using pictures. It is similar to word analogy and is solved in the same way. It's more creative. We call it picture analogy. In this way, we compare two figures in order to determine the similarities and relationship between the two. And it's even easier to solve it because you have that frame of reference. Alright, those are not the only types of analogies. There are more pair of words that show similarities and relationship. Again, to solve an analogy, read the first pair of terms and think about the relationship between them. Okay, that's all. I know that you are now ready for practice. Okay, let us practice. Get ready with your paper and pen. Read the following questions carefully. Supply word or expression that will complete each analogy. Choose the letter of your answer from the choices below. Okay, there you have it. Let's start with question number 1. Mother is to woman as father is to blank. Write the letter of your answer. Choose from the choices. Okay, let's have question number 2. Blank is to fruit as broccoli is to vegetable. Choose the letter of your answer from the choices. Let's have question number 3. going to read it for you. Blank is to see, as nose is to smell. What might be the answer? Choose the letter from the choices below. Another, number 4. And then you have number 5. Dwarf is to small, as giant is to blank. Choose your answer. Okay, next we have question number 6. Are you enjoying? I know. Blank is the sky, as train is to land. It's very easy. Choices are given. Okay, let's have question number 7. Look closely. Okay, goat is to kid, as blank is to puppy. I know that. It's my favorite pet. Okay, moving on to question number 8. Shall I read it? Yes, I will. Okay. Poultry is to chicken, as blank is to pork. Now we have number 9. We're almost done with our first activity. Demon is to bad, as blank is to good. What might be the answer? I hope you will get perfect score. And then let's have the last number for our first activity, number 10. For our last number, I'm going to read it for you. Blank is to flow, as lake is to stagnant. Choose the letter of your answer from the choices. Okay, let us check your answers. Get ready. Here's what you're going to do. Alright, take a photo of your answer sheet and send it to our Facebook group. You are given a minute to send your answer sheet. Take a photo. I'm waiting. When the icon stops moving, that means you are going to stop also sending. That's the time I will no longer accept late answer sheets. So you better send it now. Come on, come on. Okay, we're done, and let's have another. Okay, but before we move on, let us check the answers so we can see who will get the highest score. Okay, so we have here the answers: number 1, letter J, 2, letter I, 3, letter H, 4, letter G, 5, F, 6, E, 7, D, 8, C, number 9, A, and number 10, B, who got perfect score. Okay, we're done with the first activity. Now let's have another to apply what you have learned in our lesson. This time, you're going to write your own examples of word analogy. Observe the picture and write an analogy based on the given type. So I have already provided here an example for you to follow so that you will be guided in answering our next test. Okay. Alright. Let's begin. Question number 1. The given type is worker and tool. Look at the picture. Okay, I'm giving you time to answer. About 5 seconds, I think. Okay, next. Question number 2. The given type is types relationship. Look at the pictures. Very easy. Okay, write your answer now. Wrong spelling wrong. Okay, next. Question number 3. The given type is object and action. You see that picture? Okay, what might be the other pair of the word to complete the analogy? Next, we have question number 4. Synonyms or synonymous relationship. Okay. Type your or write your answer now. It's easy, right? Especially when you see already the picture. Okay, and the last number 5. The given type is antonyms or antonymous relationship. Okay. Write your answer for the last number. After this, we are going to check your answers right away. Okay. There you have it. Now, let us check your answers, but before that, again, you need to take a photo of your answer sheet and send it to our Facebook group. Okay, you are given a minute again to send your answer sheet. Once the icon stops moving, that means you need to stop also sending your answer sheets or the photo of your answer sheet. I'll be waiting. I am so excited to see your scores. Alright. You still have time to send your the photo of your answer sheet. I think 1 minute is enough. Okay, it's time to check the answers. Number 1, the given type is worker and tool. The answer is carpenter is to saw. Here we have types. The answer is banana is to fruit. Number 3, object and action. You have the milk is to drink. Number 4, synonyms. We have girl, lass, or female. Did you get the correct answer there? Okay. Okay, that's all for today, class. I hope you learned a lot. Remember, we heal as